how you will lose all your money in Dogecoin. Okay, just to make this clear, this is a semi-serious episode. So if you watch this, if you hear me talking now, make sure you watch it to the very end, because then you will know the whole truth about Dogecoin. I mean, the first part that I made before the intro was a joke. Obviously, Dogecoin is the most amazing project in crypto space and you will win so much money if you just buy right now. No, but this is not financial advice. Just don't listen to me, do your own research, and I show you how to do it. So let's do it this way. I show you today 5 amazing things about Dogecoin that you should know and why you should buy it. First of all, Dogecoin is already ranked 14 in the coin market cap. This means there is not a lot potential to the upside because it's very, very high valued. It has almost 12 billion market cap, and you know that it has unlimited supply. This means this coin will be diluted all the time and your stack will be continuously diluted. So that was number 2, why you should buy Dogecoin. Number 1, the rank is wonderful. It's diluted all the time. Reason number 3, the main developer of Dogecoin, Jack Palmer, he left the project many years ago. So this is a wonderful reason to buy Dogecoin. No main developer, the founder left it. Awesome. You should definitely put all your money in it right now. So 2 more reasons I need to find. Okay, one more here on CoinGecko. So the coin has pumped up very high through people shilling it, through all the social media, Elon Musk, Wallstreetbets, and all this crap. So I'm not saying Elon Musk is crap. Sorry, Elon. Just saying that all this jokes about it. This is not serious, but the retail seems to believe it. So the fair value of the coin would have been down here somewhere, and then it pumped massively. So you should definitely, due to this pump, put in everything here because it will continue going up, definitely and for sure. And last but not least, the best and final reason for you to buy Dogecoin today with all the money you ever owned and that you will own in the future. Better borrow something to put it in. You go to Github, github.com. It's the page where development of cryptocurrencies usually has good insights about what is going on behind the scenes. So you go there to insights and you check contributors, and there you see that there has been almost nothing contributed since somewhere in early 2018. So very good reasons here. That's a coin that has been basically finished in development already here. So it's good to go. You should start investing right now. No, honestly, just to make it clear, Dogecoin is it's not a scam, but it's a meme, okay? And this, you should be aware that this coin is highly overvalued for what it actually is. I sincerely hope that I made you understand with this video that you should not lose all your money in Dogecoin. Be careful in crypto space. There is so much going on. There are so many high value projects where you can really do deep analysis, look at what they do and why they create value for this industry, and then put in your money as a early invest, because this is all early investment, and help them to grow their projects, to bring this whole industry forward, to bring this all to the next step and to the future. So please see this as an entertainment. This has been not financial advice. I can only say this one more time because someone might have not listened carefully enough and think that there actually have been 5 reasons. I gave you 5 reasons to not buy Dogecoin. So just don't do it. Or if you want, just put a few bucks, but do your own research. It's you who invests, it's me who invests for me. So it's not my money, not my advice. Just do whatever you wish. But I hope I helped you a bit and wish you a wonderful rest of the day. Your Alex.